Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to accept money from Venmo. First, ensure you have the Venmo app downloaded on your smartphone. It's available for both Apple and Android devices. Create or log into your account, making sure your profile is fully set up. A complete profile, including your phone number or email, helps ensure smooth transactions. Others can then easily find and send money directly to you. When a payment is sent, Venmo typically sends a push notification directly to your smartphone, alerting you to the incoming funds. You can then open the app and navigate to your personal feed, which displays all your recent transactions. It is always a good practice to verify the sender's name and the exact amount, ensuring everything matches your expectations. This simple check helps keep your transactions secure. Most Venmo payments are automatically accepted into your balance as soon as they are sent, so there is usually no extra step needed. However, sometimes a payment might show as pending if the sender's bank requires additional verification for the transaction. Simply tap on the specific payment in your feed to view its full details and status. The funds will clear once the verification is complete. Once the money is accepted, it is immediately added to your available Venmo balance. You can then use these funds to send payments to other Venmo users for various reasons or even make purchases. Many online retailers and brick-and-mortar stores now accept Venmo as a convenient payment method. It offers a flexible way to manage your received funds directly within the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.